Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Abdurrahman Muzammil. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have decided to make a video. I haven't been uploading since a year. So today, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint. So right now, I have just opened it. So it will show you. Let me just close it. Okay, wait. Yeah, I have to say. Okay, yeah. Wait, don't save. Okay, now let me show you. When you open PowerPoint 2016, when you open PowerPoint, this window pops up. So I have just downloaded some PPTs. So here are some templates. A template is a mm, uh, is a presentation, you can say it, made by default. So you can just go here, just create it. So I don't want it right now. Most people use blank presentation, so I'm just going to use that also. So when you create this, this window will pop up. So here is a text box. A text box is a box where you can add data to your text box. For example, I'm doing right, hi, and just hi tea. Okay, that's nothing. So if you want to delete this, you just click here, just you press backspace or delete. uh, now uh, Now I'm just going to extend text box. Wait, okay. So uh, here it comes. So now you can add data. Hi, oh wait, hi, oh, I am, okay, hi, I am Abdul Rahman, Abdul Rahman. So wait, so I am Abdul Rahman. So I have added some data to my text box. So the the here is a, this is the ribbon. So there are some tabs. So this is the home tab. There are some groups in the tab. For example, the slides group, clipboard, form, paragraph, drawing, and editing. So the basic the today I'm just going to tell you the basics, and then I'm just going to tell you the next parts. So this is the font. Now you can modify your text. Starting with the simpler one, you can just change the size of your text, like here. The maximum is 96, but you can change it to whatever number you want. So right now I have just did it on 36. So now the next one is the theme colors. So now you can just change your text color. See, now it's red. So I make it a little bit visible. So now uh, this is the change case button. So now you can just change your cases, like I want to do a lowercase, now uppercase. Now there are two others. I don't know, this is a little weird, but these two are, okay. So now you can just make spaces in your text from here. Loose, I want to do it very loose. So now there's a lot of space, but I just do it normal. See, it's look better. So now here is the underline button. So here's the underline button, and here's the text shadow. So here's a shadow, but you cannot see it because it's very not visible. It's very thin. So here is the underline button. So your text is underlined. now you can just do it italic from doing uh, control control I. So you can just do it bold. Bold means do it like more fatter. So here's my hi, I'm Abdul Rahman. So now here is decrease font size and increase for font size. So I just want it so decrease it's so small, but you can just do it from here. But this is a they just it comes in handy sometimes. So then I'm just making it small. So this group is done. So we move to the next one. Oh sorry, you can just erase your every modifying, but yeah. So I don't know if you'll do it or not. So here is a paragraph. So here's the button: align left, align middle, align right. So in middles it's very nice. Wait, let me just make my text box bigger. So at I just align it in center. I can do it at right, but okay. I this is justify, so you can just do it now. Now here is the line spacing. There is no line, but I can just enter some more stuff like this. So I can just add spacing. I just want it so there is space. I can do it a lot down. So the next one is increase lift, increase this. So sorry, increase list level. So you can just do here and just do it this side. So now here is the bullets and numbering. I would like to 1 2 3 and just you just have to click enter and then you can add some more data like this. Oops. So you can just do it like this. Okay, so you can add this. So the next one is this is a simpler one, but I'm going to go in more detail in other parts. So here's the drawing. So now you can add some shapes to your presentation if you would like to. Here are my recent used shaped, and here are some lines. There are some filters. So I will just do it like rectangles. I'll just do it box. A rectangle, but I'm going to do a box. Okay, now I'm just going to do a quick style. I will like it. Wait, I have to load. I'm going to just do it at this one. Yeah. Now, but this is way more better. You can just add some fill, or you can just if you want more colors, so you can just go here. I just wanted like red, so you can just see it. Just change it. Okay, now just click OK. It's done. Sorry, it's not that red, but yeah. So here are some. Choose one. It's gray, so it's not that. Let me just make it more. Okay, I think change on. Oh yeah, this one. Huh? Why did it change? Oh, okay. Now I know. This is the custom. Okay, just totally. Okay, this is the gray. It won't do it. So this is the shape outline. I'm just going to do it red, so you can just view it. See, here's the outline. You can see it. So shape effects. I don't like shape effects that much, but you can add it. So you can just do it. These. Okay. Now we go to the insert. Sorry, I had to do this also. Slides group. So here are some new slides if you want to add. Here are some of these. I would just like to do it blank. So I just do it blank. If you want to delete it, so you can just press backspace or delete, or you can right click it and delete slide. You can just click this to make a new slide, duplicate. If I duplicate slides mean the same. See that it came the same. So I just want to delete this. Okay. Uh, Now this is published slides. The presentation must be set up for before publish. I don't want to publish it, so yeah, cancel. Uh, so the next one is Clipboard. So this is just a simpler one. So you just you want to if you want to cut it, you can just cut it. But you can just do it undo. So you want to copy this. Copy means that a duplicate. You make a copy. Just you right click it if you want to add a picture. So see, here's the duplicate. See, here's a duplicate of this picture. So the next here is the paste option. So you can paste a picture or the theme. So this is a format pointer, so you can just format, but I don't want it. So we go to the next group. So here is the new slide, but I don't know why did they add it. It's just in the home tab, but still, okay, just leave it. So this is the table. So you can just add a table by using this grid. I just wanted like 2, 4. Okay, I have made a table. Now I just want its size a little bit smaller. Here are some styles. So just wanted black. So here is the black. So here are the effects, but there is no need. Here is some shading, but here are some options. So I don't want it this way. So but if you want it, so you can add it. So now you go insert back. So you added a table. Wait. Okay, now you can just add some quick styles. There is no layout. That's something else. Okay, and now there is pictures. So this pictures means that you can add from your computer. So I just have a few of them, but suppose this pizza. Okay, this pizza has been added. So but you can just modify it here. So but wait. Okay. Okay, but I wanted an online picture. So you open this and it's loading the pictures. So okay, now you come here and suppose a sun. Okay, sun. Okay, here's the sun. So you just click it and you can just insert it. But if you want two pictures, so you can just click it one more. These two are selected, so I can insert these two. Downloading these. Okay, this is way big. Wait. Okay, I don't know what's happening. It's collided. I can just change it collision, but okay, no worries. Okay, now you can take a screenshot, but no, I'm doing a screen recording photo album. Oh, you can also add a photo album, but I don't want it. So the the uh, the next one is shapes. We just have discussed that. This is a chart. You can add a chart by using this. This is for big people, but not for me. For me also, but in some cases. So you can just add. Wait. Let me just backspace. Let me just delete this. I don't know. Okay, now it is done. So this is something else. This is links, but no. Okay, you can add comments, but This is for when you publish a publish presentation on the web. So here's a text box. I discussed this earlier. You can add a text box and add text. I can just delete it. No worries right now. So this is the word art. You can just modify your text by this also. It does looks good. So here's data and time. So that we are going to discuss in another video. So there is a video, online video, for example. Let me YouTube. So let me just do it. Abdur, my father's write it out. Abdurrahman, Abdurrahman, and Arfaz adventures. I don't know if it comes because I'm not that famous. It didn't came. It didn't came. Suppose. Okay, cancel. Just do it. Cancel. So you can just add any, any video. So I can just add an audio, but I can just also record an audio. So here is screen recording. Now I am screen recording. For simple, I just go here. I'm just going to close my audio. You can listen me, and you click this audio. When you click this, it's not it's disabled because I am still doing it. It comes like this. This is a button and this is faded. So you can select an area, then which area do you want to record, and then you can start recording and I can pause the video right now. So I don't want to do it right now. So that's it for today. Allah Hafiz.